Street we live on. Is this the Airbnb we're in? Always take your damn shoes off your house. Entryway, fridge, kitchen, bathroom. I never used the bidet in Italy or Switzerland, but I used it here, and the next bathroom I get, I'm going to get a bidet. Here's the downstairs bathroom. So in Japan, you're supposed to take a shower first out here, and then after you're clean, you're supposed to soak in the tub. But Tracy was really the only one that took a bath. Back out. So here.
Back to the tea room.
Tea room, which we never really went in. I don't even know what this is for, but I guess to drink tea. We didn't really go in this room. It's the dinner. I guess the dining room, living room. See, Tyler's got the underground dinner table. Tyler Jordan. This is where Tyler slept. He just threw a mattress on the ground. It's a little backyard that we really didn't go to, but it's kind of cool. So the place is like all wood, so there's like fire extinguishers everywhere because they don't want the house to burn down. So here's the upstairs where me and Tracy stayed. This is where me and Tracy slept. The other bathroom. There's a shower. That's what me and Tyler mostly took a shower. Backyard. The other bathroom. Same as the other one downstairs. So it's pretty cool. Just anytime you want to sit down, you just got to sit up because there's no chairs except for downstairs. But we wanted to come to Japan and stay in a traditional Japanese house, and this is about as traditional as you're going to get. All the stairwells in Japan are super narrow and steep. It's our last day. It sucks. Any vacation sucks big time. Deuces.